Hello everyone, I'm Sajid and I'm here with another video. Today in this video I want to introduce two AI tools which I'm using since 1 year, and these tools make my life really easy in my studies, or if I want to search something else. These tools are really helpful and accurate, fast. Actually, I'm talking about like chatbots like ChatGPT or DeepSeek, which are really famous all over the world. So the first tool is like Kimi. It's a chatbot. I think this is better than ChatGPT and DeepSeek. Why I'm saying this? Like, firstly, this chatbot is really fast. It's working fast. If you are searching something in DeepSeek, it takes a lot of time. But Kimi works fast. And the second advantage of this chatbot is like it's totally free. You don't need to pay a single dollar to get subscription or this kind of. So like if you want to access ChatGPT 4 or the advanced mode, you need to pay. But Kimi is free and you can access Kimi from anywhere all over the world. And the third advantage, which I feel it's like really perfect, it gives you real-time information, like what's going currently all over the world. If you are searching something in this chatbot like Kimi, it will give you accurate real-time information. So I really like this chatbot and I'm using it and it's helpful for me. So therefore I'm going to introduce to you, and you also just use it, and if you like it, or if do you have some opinion about this chatbot, you just write in the comment section so we can have a discussion there. So right now I want to show I'm going to search something in this chatbot and we can check how it works and how is it's fast, and either is it giving us real-time information or not. Let's go and search something. For example, currently what is the hot topic? Okay, why the people of USA protesting recently. So it's the current issue in America, so we are going to search it, and you can see this chatbot will gather information first, and here is the real-time information, what's going in USA recently and why the people are protesting. And this chatbot will also give the reference, like you can access the website from where Kimi is collecting information, and it will give you the link of this website. So you just, if you want to jump to this website, you just directly click on the website and you can jump to the website. So I think Kimi is more uh, easy to use, and it's fast, it's free, and the other point is it gives you real-time information. So therefore I'm introducing this tool to you. For me, I'm using this chatbot in my research work. If I'm searching some like tutorials and this kind of things, I'm using this chatbot, and really helpful for me. Whatever you are doing, if you want to try this chatbot, you just try. And the other advantage of Kimi is like it process your text, your voice, and you can add also images. And the other tool which I'm going to introduce you to, actually it is a website. The name of this website is poe, like poe.com. And here inside this website there are multiple of AI tools you can access through this website. You don't need to go to all these AI tools separately to their website. So you just come to poe.com, and here you can see there are multiple of AI tools. You can just click here and get access. If these tools are like paired, here also they are paired, but if there are freely available like free AI tools, you can get access here. Some of these tools are using to generate AI images. Some of these tools are using to generate AI videos, and some just for text. So I think you don't need to go separately to all these websites. You just come to poe.com and access all these AI tools. Like for example, image generation, you can see most popular one, professional, game apps, all these webs, all these AI tools are available in this poe poe.com. So just jump to this website and access. So it's just a short video to introduce these two AI tools to my viewers. If you like these tools and if these tools are helpful for you, just go to the comment section and give your opinion. And if you want this kind of more and more videos, just subscribe my channel and stay connected. So have a good day. Bye bye.